Hello everyone, I'm Rachel, and I'm thrilled to introduce myself as the newest Director of Operations at CyberSec Consulting Leaders LLC. Today, I want to share with you some of the incredible strides we've made in bolstering cybersecurity for a diverse range of organizations. At CyberSec Consulting Leaders, we take pride in our accomplishments. We've successfully implemented multi-factor authentication (MFA) for thousands of users, providing an extra layer of security that safeguards sensitive information. But cybersecurity is more than just technology, it's about awareness. Our holistic approach emphasizes raising cyber awareness across organizations. From employees to executives, we empower everyone to become a part of the cybersecurity solution. Our awareness initiatives include workshops, seminars, and hands-on training. We believe that educated teams are the first line of defense against cyber threats. It's about arming individuals with the knowledge to identify and respond effectively. But knowledge without structure isn't enough. Our policy creation and adherence process ensures that organizations have tailored cybersecurity policies in place. This proactive approach establishes guidelines, best practices, and clear steps to follow. We understand that each organization is unique. Whether it's supporting an organization with over 5,000 users and a $10 million budget, or a small business with fewer than 50 staff members and a tighter budget, our solutions are adaptable. At CyberSec Consulting Leaders, we're not just consultants, we're partners. Our dedication to making cybersecurity accessible and effective means that organizations of all sizes can have a robust defense strategy. From the moment we step in, our goal is to create a secure digital environment that fosters growth and innovation. So, whether you're a large enterprise or a small business, CyberSec Consulting Leaders is here to provide tailored solutions that fit your unique needs. So, whether you're a business striving for a stronger cybersecurity posture, a community member seeking assistance, or a family wanting a safer online experience, we're here for you. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. Together, we can build a digital world that's secure, informed, and accessible to everyone. I'm Rachel, and I'm excited to embark on this cybersecurity journey with you. Stay secure, stay empowered,